I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? This video was actually supposed to start off a little bit different. However, here we are in the truck, headed to go book my next wedding for the year. As y'all know, these weddings pay. And YouTube don't like that. You know what I'm saying? So, let me go handle this, and then we're gonna come back and boom. You know what I'm saying? And weddings, hashtag weddings by Turbo Parts. Alright, let me turn y'all back on. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS7Ride254, man. I feel like I'm losing my goddamn voice or some shit. I wish I could sit up here and I could tell y'all, man, it's easy. You know what I'm saying? I just got off work. Do I want to shoot a video? Yeah, of course I do. Of course, that's the high energy that you expect, that you get from some YouTuber. But me, you know, I'ma keep it real. You know what I'm saying? I keep going. I keep doing this because I love it. But the pace is sometimes daunting. You know what I'm saying? When you have, you work a full-time job, kids, wife, hell, run a whole nother business on the side and everything like that. So hustle don't stop, grind don't stop, and we finna get into it regardless, cause you know what I'm saying, y'all ain't here to watch no pity party. Y'all here to watch some motherfucking progress. Let's get into it. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so here we are with the C10, aka a ball. You see it, you know what it is. Come to love it. In the last video, or one of them other videos, we went ahead and we put the bumper, the rear bumper on. When it's on there, we got it in as far as it was supposed to go, etc., etc. That ain't that big of a deal. I mean, we're gonna keep it pushing, we're gonna keep it going. However, it is a little dirty. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what I got in the efforts to, you know, kind of clean it up. Probably get some new little lights to go right there, right there. As y'all continue watching the channel, man, make sure that y'all get that membership, share it out so we can get the subscriptions up, get it 10,000 so you can find out what's under the tarp. So I'm gonna bring y'all back here to the back of the back. I had to get a couple things, some relays for the Cutlass. I was having an issue, but that's a whole nother video. Splice stuff. That's for the Cutlass. That's another video. That's another video. Well, that was for the C10 for the door panels. Just in case y'all wonder about a part number or something. 963041. That's the part number for them panel retainers. Only thing sucks is only like 2 in a fucking pack. So you gotta order quite a bit of them. I got some more coming. But I was asking people what they were using to clean up their bumper, and it came down to these two right here, right? So here I have, you know, probably something that a lot of people have been using for years. I remember I used to use it. Never dull, all metal polish. I remember it working well, and go from there. So I also know that you know, SOS pads as well as like the steel wool 0004 work well for it as well. Shout out to everybody I was asking in certain Facebook groups what they was using, and this is the responses that they gave me. So we're gonna give it a shot. But first, before we use those, We're gonna just get us a bucket of, we'll get us a bucket of water or whatever, soap and water, and we'll do one side at a time and then show you the comparison and then push forward. So let's get into it. Alright, so for the first iteration, we got our soap bucket. We kind of wet it up a little bit. Dip that in there. I said first we're just gonna come and get any, you know, unnecessary dirt or whatnot that might be on there. Like I said, we're just doing one side at a time. That way you can show the difference in our work and whatnot. So yeah, we'll go right there to the trailer ball. Right there. As you can see, I mean, there are some little hidden spots and stuff like that. So let me get my elbow, let me get both hands in there, elbow grease and all that, and then I'll put it back on. Alright, so this side right here, as you can see, has been touched just a little bit, just the soap and water with the towel, and then this side that hadn't been touched. So you can already kind of start to see a little bit of the difference just from kind of wiping it down. So next up, we're gonna take, we're gonna jump in there with these SOS pads. Lemon fresh scent, so your bumper smell good. You heard me? But yeah, man, we're gonna jump in there with these SOS pads and see what comes next for, like I said, this passenger side. I mean, driver side. Excuse me. Driver side, that's the one we're working on. Passenger side be untouched for now. All right, so as you can see, driver side has that blue residue from that SOS pad. Got in there. This side still unscathed, untouched. So for this part, I'm saying go ahead and figure out, spray it off so you can kind of see what I see as we see if the SOS pad made any difference or not. Alright, so we'll back up from it just a bit. Now, we're not necessarily trying to go back, what's the word we're looking for? It ain't gotta be showroom quality or brand new, you know what I'm saying? We're just, you know, trying to do what we can as a DIY person can. Do what a DIY person can to get it to the best possible result under your power. You know what I'm saying? Before you have to go spend the money on a new bumper or etc. etc. Some people might prefer the roll pin. Me, I'm rolling with mine just like this. So yeah, as you kind of get a closer up look, I mean, it is, see, it seems to be some kind of shine behind there. It definitely looks a lot better. Looks like we even got some reflection in there. So let's see, maybe we can keep going to the other spot and see exactly where we can get going. Alright, so we just got done hitting with the 0004 steel wool. Looking somewhat better. Like I said, the results is gonna vary. So we got a couple spots. See that right there? That's where the pad is gonna go for the grip. So that's gonna go over there. So I'm not too really worried about that. Same thing on this side, as you can kind of see, which haven't been touched with anything. This side is really trying to kind of clean up some. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dry it all down, and then pull out this never dull and see if that's gonna make a huge difference. Of course, you know, with more time and effort into this, but for the sake of the video, we're just trying to see what it's gonna do off gate. These products that we're using. All right, so now what you're seeing is a cleaned. We hit it with the SOS. We hit it with the 004, triple 40 steel wool. So hit it with the SOS. Hit it with the steel wool with 4 zeros. And that's it being dried off. So now we're gonna see if we put that never dull to it, what's gonna happen. So stay tuned. We'll be back right after this commercial break. Alright y'all, so I know oh my fault, this is commercial. Hey you, I know you're tired of sitting at home all day, sitting on the couch, watching LSF Raw 254 channel, wondering what's up under the tarp. Well, for the price of $4.99, join the membership, you get emojis, discounts, and exclusive content. Guess what some of that content is? Showing you what's up on the tarp. So, take the time today, go join the membership of the LSCR Nation and get your membership today. Or, you can wait till 10,000 subscribers. Either way, man, we good. Later. Alright, so according to the directions on this can, trim off a small portion of the cotton applicator. It said trim, but we tow it off. Finish polishing. It said trim off a small portion of the cotton applicator and rub the surface until it is clean. Finish polishing by buffing with a soft, dry cloth until a brilliant shine appears. Excellent for silver, gold, brass, copper, pewter, steel, aluminum, and chrome. Do not use never dull on lacquered surfaces. Wash food utensils with soap and water after using products. Close lid after use. Well, let's see. So what we did is we took this here and we basically rubbed all this down. I'm just doing this as a reenactment. I haven't actually wiped it off yet, but just to reenact so y'all see what I did. So I wiped all this down. La 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 la. La 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 la. Like that. So now it says to go back with something and wipe it off. Not just any something, but to be specific, a soft, dry cloth. So you're gonna find this a soft, dry cloth, preferably a microfiber. I think I remember back in the day, soft cloth might have been like a t-shirt. You know, you rip up the t-shirt, wipe down your bump or whatever. I don't know where my damn microfibers is at. There got some more 004 steel wools though. So I bought some more so I wouldn't have to look for them. I probably wouldn't have searched them at first. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it with a t-shirt or something and then put y'all back on. But this is before the buff polish thing. What I'm gonna say before I show y'all this. in hindsight, you take something that might be like this and you polish that up. You know what I'm saying? This can be polished and be saved. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not the bumper. But I'm gonna bring it over here and show y'all what we're working with. So took an old white beat I had, put the white beat on there, you know what I'm saying, wiped it down. And I mean, honestly, it's probably not the best. It's probably not the worst either. I mean, it's not mirror-like, but if you kept working at it, it might come back, or it might just be re-chromed, or something like that. Me personally, like I said, not that big of a deal. I was just trying something out. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean up, and hit this other side of the bumper, and we're gonna rock it like that. Now, in the meantime, between time, if anybody see this video and y'all have some better ideas, some better products that we could use on this, then definitely let me know down in the comments below, and we'll shout them out, and we'll try them, and we'll go from there and try to bring this bumper back to the greatness that it was. Till then, we're gonna clean it up and rock it like this. So, till next time, it's your boy L7R254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely. Meaning productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop.